I think I have come up to consolations that I have found a true lover. But I want to be sure if you are the one. Annie, please write to me now. I am expecting your message on my WhatsApp right now. Any message me. This is my private WhatsApp to you, darling. I miss you. I cannot sleep without you thinking about you. About you. Annie, I cannot wait to make you my wife officially. Annie, I am so happy that everything happiness is at the Allah's time I went to you need. I can for you, I list for you, and most importantly, I love you. You are the other half of my heart and the better half of my souls. You make me whole. Annie is my Hamdan. I love you so much with my whole heart. Heart, I want I want you to trust me. I love you so much, my love. Please be first on getting the membership card. I cannot wait to see you. I adore to see that I can overcome many hurdles and beat all odds to see you happy. That is how much you mind me. You must me be an angle. You look one, you glow like one, you are so like one, and like the angle you take me to heaven. Every time I am with you, you are beauty and grace. I said, I trust you are the time that you give me. I did not know I would love everything about someone. You know till I meet you, you are so far, yet to so near. I can feel you near me. I cannot touch you, but I can hold you close no matter where you are. You are always in my heart. I love you. I am more happy that my father, the greatest highness, is so happy for our marriage. And the promise to support us forever. You are my dream wife, and I cannot wait to wear you my ring and make you my wife. My Allah, please us and brings us together, sweetheart. So, my darling, I want you to text me right now. I am so happy for us. My darling, you have the most amusing way of driving everyone, and especially me. I am interested. I am intrigued. Better yet, I am completely hooked. Looking forward to spending me my life with you. I am completely convinced that as long as you are in my life, I will never be bored again. You have incredible ability to make every moment fun. It's great to know that while everyone wants a little pieces of you, I carry your whole heart in my pocket. You are the sunlight to my day, happiness to my heart, and joy to my life. Words cannot express have much. I love you, my darling. As I sit down to put my feelings into words, I realize there are no words grand enough to picture depth of my love. For you, it stretches beyond the confines of this world, beyond the expanse of the universe, to a place where only the heart can travel. I love you, the moon, and back no just for the person you are, but for how you we touched my life in ways I never imagined. You are water is the melody that plays in my heart, and you are kindness is the compass that guides me through life's journey. Please, your love has been my anchor through every high and low, keeping me stead in the stormiest of seas. You are my confidant, my partner in crime, and my greatest cheerleader. Now, this my love for you is boundless, is impressible, and forever. I love you to the moon back and even further for eternity with all my heart. I never believed in love at first sighting until I saw you every cell in my body. Now you were the one, and with each passing day I fell in love more and more. The more I know about you, the deeper you become embedded in my heart. I am certain that I will love you even more in the future. Please, everyone, for my question, please my channel for subscribe. End of the poem, please everyone, for my question, my darling, my fans, please my channel for subscribe. End of the poem, please comment me answer of you my question for you.